Recycling and waste reduction are vital components of Electricfil's environmental commitment. They recycle or reuse the vast majority of production byproducts, which include corrugated packaging, shrink wrap, runners, many types of metals, plastic trays, and used mold wastes.
As far as scrap produce, we've been tracking that on a daily basis. We meet twice a day for all of our raw materials that we have to put into these scrap bins. We've been trying to reduce that. We've had a huge gain in that. We've probably reduced our overall scrap about 3% in the last two years. We used to run about a 4 to 5% scrap, now we're down around 1. Wasting less material, wasting less equipment usage. We don't have to run the equipment as much, because every part that you put in the scrap bin, you have to remake it. So we also were able to reduce our production by 3 to 4% and get the same outcome. And then also on the new building, we put economizers on the HVAC equipment. So we have sensors on that equipment that measures the outside air. We're always calling for cooling here, even in the wintertime. We're going to be calling for cooling. The outdoor air is plenty cool. And in the past, we've had to run the air conditioning, the compressors, in order to cool the air. Now we have some sensors on the new units that check for humidity level first. If the humidity level's in the right area, it checks for temperature. If the temperature is cool enough, it doesn't turn on the compressors, it just brings in the outdoor air.
In an effort to increase efficiency and reduce environmental impact, they've replaced old fluorescent and metal halide fixtures with high-output, energy-efficient lighting. They also installed motion-controlled lighting in restrooms and parts of the plant that are unused for long periods of time. Employees are encouraged to recycle throughout the plant and look for ways to reduce waste and save energy whenever possible. Paperless payroll, electronic reports, and the use of kiosks limit the amount of paper that's needed, and employees have replaced the use of non-recyclable styrofoam cups with reusable ceramic mugs and paper cups. They worked with their local vending machine company to turn off interior lights and switch to more efficient interior LED lights as well. The vendor also installed a motion sensor to increase the efficiency for cooling drink dispensers. This doesn't save an enormous amount of energy, but it does reinforce a sustainable and waste reduction ethic throughout Electricfil. All this effort has reduced energy usage by over 600,000 kilowatt hours per year, reduced related CO2 emissions by over 800,000 pounds a year, and they've reduced landfill-bound waste from nearly 40 yards per week to less than 4.
Because a lot of people are willing to recycle, it's just the education's not there as far as what can be recycled, and that's another thing we've done. We've worked with our local recycling company, and they've actually come in and had handouts and things and explained to people and showed them what all can be recycled and things that can't be recycled.
All this effort not only protects and preserves the planet's natural resources, it protects Electricfil's bottom line. It's the right thing to do for the planet, and it's the right thing to do for the company.